Welcome to my channel, Better Health and Food Ideas. Making healthy choices when you eat out. Ask for a half-size portion of the meal. Or ask if the restaurant offers lunch-sized portions, which tend to be smaller. At fast food restaurants, choose the smallest size meal option instead of super-sizing. If you enjoy leftovers, try putting half of your meal in a to-go box. Ask your server to bring the box with your meal, so that you can split the meal before you even take the first bite. Try splitting a meal with someone else at your table. Avoid all-you-can-eat menu options and buffet-style restaurants. Unlimited refills of soup or pasta may sound like a good deal, but they can make it easier to overeat. Before you order, find out how the food is prepared. Foods that are broiled, poached, grilled, baked, or steamed tend to be lower in fat than foods that are fried. Limit foods that are breaded or that come with cream sauce or gravy. This will allow you to control how much you use. Ask to have butter, sour cream, gravy, and sauces served on the side. Choose reduced fat salad dressings. Or choose oil and vinegar salad dressings instead of creamy dressings. Order hamburgers and sandwiches without the high-fat extras, such as cheese and bacon. Choose leaner deli meats such as turkey or roast beef rather than salami or bologna. If you want dessert, look for low-fat frozen yogurt, sorbet, fruit ice, or sherbet. Order extra vegetables on pizzas and sandwiches. Substitute vegetables or a baked potato for French fries. At fast food restaurants, ask if you can have a salad or fruit instead of French fries. Try vegetarian menu options. Ethnic restaurants, such as Indian, Thai, or Japanese restaurants, often have a wide variety of vegetarian choices. Ask for brown rice and whole grain pasta instead of white rice and pasta. Pick whole grain bread and tortillas. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.